Phrasal verbs starting with letter A. Abide by. Meaning. Obey, follow rules or laws. How to use. Usually followed by rules, law, decision, agreement. Examples. We must abide by the school regulations. He promised to abide by the judge's decision. Account for. Meaning. Explain, give a reason, be part of a total. How to use. Used when explaining absence, mistake, or percentage. Examples. She couldn't account for the missing documents. Imports account for half of the country's food supply. Act for. Meaning. Represent someone, work on their behalf. How to use. Common in legal or official settings. Examples. The lawyer will act for the company in court. She was asked to act for her manager during the meeting. Act on. Meaning. Take action based on advice, information, or orders. How to use. Followed by advice, suggestion, instruction, information. Examples. You should act on your teacher's guidance. The police quickly acted on the tip they received. Act out. Meaning. Perform a scene or express feelings through action. How to use. Often used in drama, role play, or behavior contexts. Examples. The children acted out the story of Cinderella. He acted out his anger by slamming the door. Act up. Meaning. Misbehave or not function properly. How to use. Can be used for people, especially kids, or machines. Examples. The kids began to act up when they got bored. My computer is acting up again, it keeps freezing. Act upon. Meaning. Take action based on information orders. How to use. Similar to act on, but more formal. Examples. The army acted upon the general's orders immediately. Scientists are acting upon the latest research findings. Add on. Meaning. Include something extra. How to use. Used for things, costs, or features. Examples. We decided to add on a balcony to the house. Don't forget to add on the service charges. Add up. Meaning. Make sense seem reasonable. How to use. Often used in negative form. Examples. His explanation doesn't add up at all. Something about her story just doesn't add up. Add up to. Meaning. Total, result in a number or outcome. How to use. Used with amounts, totals, or results. Examples. The bills add up to $300. All these small changes add up to a big improvement. Agree with. Meaning. Have the same opinion or be suitable for food health. How to use. Used for opinions or health. Examples. I agree with your suggestion completely. Spicy food doesn't agree with me. Aim at. Meaning. Direct effort towards a goal or target. How to use. Often followed by improving, reducing, helping, etc. Examples. This campaign is aimed at helping poor children. The company is aiming at reducing costs. Allow for. Meaning. Consider, take into account. How to use. Often used for time, money, or special conditions. Examples. When planning the trip, we must allow for traffic delays. Budgeting carefully means you allow for unexpected expenses. 14. Angle for. Meaning. Try to get something indirectly or hinting. How to use. Usually when someone wants attention, gifts, or a position. Examples. He's angling for a bigger role in the project. She kept angling for compliments about her new dress. Answer back. Meaning. Reply rudely to authority. How to use. Mostly about children or students being rude. Examples. The student was punished for answering back the teacher. Don't answer back to your parents, it's disrespectful. Answer 4. Meaning. Take responsibility or be accountable. How to use. Usually used for mistakes, crimes, behavior. Examples. You will have to answer for your actions. The manager had to answer for the delay in delivery. Argue down. Meaning. Defeat someone in an argument or persuade to lower price. How to use. Used in debates or bargaining. Examples. She easily argued down her opponent in the debate. He tried to argue down the shopkeeper to get a discount. Argue out. Meaning. Discuss something fully to reach a decision. How to use. Often used for problems, disagreements, issues. Examples. Let's argue out our differences before deciding. The committee needs to argue out the details of the proposal. Ask about. Meaning. Inquire about something or seek information. How to use. Used when you want details about something. Examples. He called to ask about the new course. I will ask about job openings tomorrow. Ask after. Meaning. Inquire about someone's health or well-being. How to use. Often used when someone cares about another person. Examples. She always asks after her old friends. When I visited, they asked after my parents. Ask around. Meaning. Ask many people the same question. How to use. Used when searching for help, information, or things. Examples. I will ask around to see if anyone has seen your dog. We should ask around to find a good mechanic. Ask for. Meaning. Request something or bring trouble on yourself. How to use. Used for requests, or in negative sense, invite trouble. Examples. She went to the office to ask for directions. He's rude to everyone, he's just asking for trouble. Ask in. Meaning. Invite someone into your house room. How to use. Used when welcoming guests. Examples. It was raining, so she asked me in for tea. Don't leave him outside, ask him in. Ask out. Meaning. Invite someone on a date. How to use. Usually romantic or social context. Examples. John finally asked her out for dinner. He was too shy to ask her out. Ask over. Meaning. Invite someone to your house. How to use. More casual, for gatherings or visits. Examples. We should ask them over for the weekend. She asked me over to watch a movie. Ask round, same as ask over, British English. Meaning. Invite someone to your home. How to use. Common in UK English. Examples. They asked us round for lunch on Sunday. Let's ask round some friends for a party. Auction off. Meaning. Sell something to the highest bidder. How to use. Used when selling items publicly. Examples. They decided to auction off their old furniture. The charity will auction off paintings to raise funds.